believe it or not, energy was the best performing sector in the S&P 500 this year, adding about 25%. Can it add to these remarkable gains next year? Welcome to Trading Nation. I'm Brian Sullivan, but Erin Gibbs of S&P Global and Max Wolff of 55 Capital are your Trading Nation team today. Erin Gibbs, energy had a pretty nice run. Do you guys at S&P think that it will continue next year?
Yeah, I think we could definitely use a bit of a breather just looking at some of the price movements that we've seen. But when you actually look at valuations, comparatively for the past year, they're actually not trading that rich. They're trading at about 40 times earnings, which is really a reflection of the kind of growth that we're expecting next year. Over 300% earnings growth for 2017 for the energy sector. This is obviously because it's coming off of horrible lows, terrible, depressed oil and natural gas prices for this year. But that does mean that we do see more growth going into 2017. Also, some positive or beneficial tax changes when it comes to capital expenditures and corporate tax rates that could further improve profits. So overall, we could see further gains in 2017.
Yeah, and maybe also, Max Wolff, an administration that is a little bit more friendly toward fracking and oil and gas, along with the stuff that Erin just mentioned. Are you also bullish on energy going into next year?
So we think energy is going to have a good year. We're not so sure it's going to be a great investment. So we see next year being a good year fundamentally for the energy names and the energy space, but we think a lot of that's priced into the market. So this is hardly a well-kept secret. We had a huge surge here coming off the election. So if you look at the charts right after November 8th, really kind of moves upward in a meaningful way. Also, we continue to think there's going to be a very strong dollar, which isn't super supportive. And to us, it's sort of going to be a tale of two different spaces. So we do think that the alternative space may come under some pressure. Might get some support at the state level here in the U.S., but the federal level, U.S., and maybe in Europe too for the first time in a while, there's going to be a little less supportive of subsidies for the alternative energy space. So we have a feeling that space is going to have a little bit of a rockier run. The more traditional carbon energy space, we think will fundamentally have a good year, but probably 75% of that good year is already priced into the shares. So not going to be a bad place to be, but we think a lot of the upside's baked in.
Okay, well, that leaves 25% left to continue to rise. Maybe not as much as it had, but 25% in 1 year is a lot to ask from anybody. Maybe 2017 will go back to being the year of the hydrocarbon. Max and Erin, thank you both very much. Bullish on energy, Erin a little bit more so. Thanks for watching Trading Nation. I'm Brian Sullivan. We'll see you next time.
Hey CNBC fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Here you'll find videos from all your favorite CNBC shows. Be sure to subscribe by clicking right here. Click on the videos around me and watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.